Bonjour, this is Marianne Lecoeur of mariannelecoeur.com and howtobechicand elegant.com. And today I wanted to give you a simple tip, but it's a tip that is very, very important. It's about shoes. Okay, so let's say you have bought your new shoes and you can't wait to wear them. So maybe you you stop in a cafe somewhere, you put your new shoes on and you're walking around, yeah, you walk back home with your new shoes. That's good, that's great, but there's something that you may not have been aware of, that you may not have, that you may have overlooked, okay? So let's say you have bought this pair of shoes. And of course, I wouldn't blame you if you wanted to wear them straight away. They're absolutely gorgeous. Okay, but there's something that you may have overlooked, and it is the sticky labels at the back, okay? Unfortunately, I've been saying it for years, many shoe shops stick the sticky label at the on the sole, and if you're not careful, you may walk around with labels on the shoe. And for shoes with high heels, the sticky label will be here, so not only when you walk, but just standing, see your sticky label here. I have seen it many times in the street, and it's a shame, because the lady obviously is not aware of this, and when she gets home she may notice it and feels a little bit foolish. And I don't know why those shops do that. I mean, can't they stick the label somewhere else? But and also, when you remove the label, usually it makes a mark, or it rips, or it's difficult to remove. You need a special sticky stuff remover to remove it, so that it looks nice and clean. So it is something to keep in mind. When you have bought a pair of shoes, just look on the sole, turn it over, remove the sticky label if you can, because that will ruin the look. And it's something that's easily overlooked, isn't it? You look at your shoe, ooh, you put it on and don't look at the back. And especially when you wear high heels, you can see them even when you're standing. Okay, so I hope you like this little tip and like my shoes. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? I absolutely love them. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell to receive notification. Thank you very much for watching.